Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to our road safety audit project for ECG563. My name is Muhammad Aliff Dzaqwan along with my group partner Muhammad AIDIL AZIM, Muhammad IQBAL and Muhammad Naimullah. Today, we will be taking you to one of the intersection within UiTM Shah Alam that we have selected for our study, which is intersection near College Teratai 4. Together, we will identify safety issues, explain our fieldwork, and propose improvements that can make this junction safer for everyone. So, let us start.
Our first road safety issue at this intersection is the absence of proper road marking. As you can see, there are no lane lines, edge lines, or any visible marking to guide the vehicles. This creates confusion, especially during peak hour when our traffic volume increases. Without clear markings, drivers tend to drift between lanes. There's a higher risk of swipe accident. It also affects pedestrian safety because there's no defined crossing area. To address this issue, we recommend applying standardized road markings according to Arahan Teknik Jalan 8/86 guidelines by JKR. This includes clear lane separation lines, edge lines, pedestrian crossing line. This marking will help guide driver more effectively and improve safety for both motorists and pedestrian.
The second issue we identify is related to pedestrian safety. This intersection is frequently used by students crossing over to the FSKM staircase and cafe area. However, the pedestrian path is in poor condition. Some parts are damaged, uneven, or not properly connected. Worse, there's no zebra crossing provided, which forces pedestrians to cross the road unsafely, especially during busy times. This puts students at risk of being hit by oncoming vehicles, especially when visibility is low or drivers are speeding. To improve safety, we propose the installation of a proper zebra crossing at the key pedestrian crossing point. Additionally, the walkway surface should be repaired and upgraded to meet the guidelines under the Garis Panduan Reka Bentuk Jalan Perbandaran by Plan Malaysia. We also suggest adding warning signage and road markings to alert drivers about the crossing area ahead. This improvement will help protect vulnerable road users and encourage safer pedestrian movement within the campus.
The third issue at this intersection is the poor road surface condition. There are several potholes and uneven patches along the road, which pose a serious risk to both drivers and motorcyclists. This defect can cause vehicles to lose control, especially when it rains during emergency braking. For motorcyclists, even a small pothole can lead to accident or injuries. The uneven surface also reduces overall driving comfort and increase vehicle wear and tear. To fix this issue, we recommend full resurfacing of the damaged road section using proper pavement materials. The repair should follow the specification under JKR standard specification for roadworks, ensuring the surface is even, well-drained, and skid resistant. Additionally, regular road maintenance schedules should be implemented to prevent future deterioration.
Our fourth safety concern is related to the steep road gradient coming down from the hill. This particular stretch has a sharp downhill slope, and from our observation, many vehicles tend to accelerate unintentionally while going down. During wet weather, the risk becomes even higher due to reduced tire grip and longer braking distance. For motorcycle and light vehicles, this slope can be dangerous, especially if the driver loses control or if there are sudden obstacles ahead. To reduce the risk, we suggest installing warning signage before the slope to alert drivers of the steep gradient. Additionally, rumble strips and speed reduction markings can be applied at the top and along the slope to slow down vehicles. In the long term, regrading or adjusting the slope profile according to JKR's arahan teknik jalan, geometry jalan may be considered if budget allows. These improvements can help minimize speed, improve control and reduce the chances of downhill crashes.
The fifth issue we identify is the overgrown vegetation along the roadside. Bushes and shrubs near the intersection have not been properly trimmed, and this affects visibility for both drivers and pedestrians. In some areas, these plants block important views of oncoming traffic or cover road signage completely. This creates a dangerous blind spot, especially when vehicles are turning or when pedestrians try to cross the road. To improve safety, we recommend regular roadside vegetation control through proper maintenance and trimming. Additionally, any landscaping along roadside or roadways should follow safe side distance guidelines under the Arahan Teknik Jalan 8/86. This ensures that all drivers have a clear field of view and that road signs remain visible at all times.
Another safety issue we found is related to the drainage system near the intersection. The drain along the roadside is uncovered and located very close to the carriageway. This poses a serious hazard. If a vehicle accidentally swerves or a pedestrian lost balance, they could fall into the drain. Furthermore, during rain, the drain often gets clogged, causing water to overflow onto the roads. This creates slippery conditions that can lead to accidents, especially for motorcyclists. To resolve this, we suggest covering the open drain with a proper concrete grating and adding guardrails or barrier where necessary. Regular maintenance is also needed to prevent blockage and ensure smooth water flow. This will enhance roadside safety and prevent future accidents involving both vehicle and pedestrian.
In conclusion, our road safety audit at this ITM Shah Alam intersection has revealed multiple safety concerns, from missing road marking, unsafe pedestrian crossing, potholes, steep gradient, overgrown vegetation, illegal parking to exposed drainage system. By identifying this issue, conducting field observation and proposing engineering-based solution, we aim to improve the safety and functionality of this junction for all road users, especially students and staff. We believe that with proper upgrades and enforcement and with maintenance, this intersection can become a safer environment that supports the ITM goal of creating sustainable and user-friendly campus. Thank you for watching our video. We hope our finding and recommendation contribute positively to future safety improvement. Drive safe, stay alert, and let's build a safer road together.